What's going on, everyone? It's Tay with Spectacular Gadgets, and in this video, we'll be taking a look at the Spigen Liquid Air P case for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now keep in mind, this case comes with S Pen support, so we have an S Pen holder on this case. Let's do this! Cases that have S Pen support are my everything. This right here is the Samsung branded case that also has pen support, but it's also the Samsung lint roller. This captures all of the lint. And due to that, it made me hop on Amazon and find this case. You can pick this up for $19.99 currently. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, do a quick box tour. And the material on this one is not the silicone material that is found on the Samsung case. So hopefully this will be a lot better as far as picking up lint, dirt, and dust and all of that stuff. Instructions on how to use the pen holder, but here's the inside. You know, it has that air cushion technology, and this helps with the anti-shock protection. Now, this is the matte black color, but the matte black gives an anti-slip surface, so better for fingerprint resistance and just a better grip. This is the Liquid Air P, and the P stands for Pen Edition. If you're not looking for a pen holder and you just want the regular case, make sure you're just purchasing the Liquid Air case instead. Also keep in mind the S Pen is not included with the Spigen case like it is with the Samsung Silicone Cover Case. The Samsung case is about $80, where this one is $20. Let's check out the screen protection, and as you see, it's slightly raised. It's not the most that I've seen, but you get a little bit of screen protection with this case. Another thing I want to mention is the S Pen goes inside of this case a little differently than that of the Samsung Silicone Cover Case. This one is going to go ahead and be placed in sideways and not flat side down. So as you see, this is the correct way to place the pen inside of that holder. Let's go ahead and check out the camera protection that this case has to offer, and as you'll notice, you get a little bit of camera protection. Also notice that the power button is slightly textured. The up and down volume keys are smooth, but the case does have side grip. You have cutouts. Using the buttons with the case, I have no issue. Then you'll take a look at the bottom of the case, and the cutouts are nicely done. Now I'm showing you that you can also continue to wirelessly charge using this case with no issue. Here I'm showing you that the bottom cutout is done precisely. You can go ahead and use a cable to charge the device as well. My take on this case is, although it doesn't have that optional lint roller feature like that of the Samsung Silicone Cover Case, this case is really good. It doesn't pick up a lot of dirt and dust. It still looks good, doesn't make it bulky. One difference I noticed between the two cases is the Samsung case is going to give you a bit more grip than this one. Well, that about wraps it up for this video. I want to thank everyone for taking the time to chill with me as we go through this journey. And until next time, everyone, I want you all to have a spectacular day. Later.